their eyes make us tremble in the fear of quizzes. Mom sir, please stop the car, di pa me ready. But they are so kind, they extend the deadline.
In class, when they're teaching, students aren't listening. They ask, all the class won't answer when they're asking. But we still respect them, we just don't know what to say. When I see your face, there's not a thing I want to say, because you look threatening, but that's just who you are. Oh, Mom Kai, yes, it's different when it comes to teaching. She's kind, or at least when she is discussing. She's incredible, and we love her with all of our hypothalamus. When I see her face, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause Mom Kai, you're amazing, just the way you are.
Happy Teacher's Day, Miss.
All that I want is to wake up fine. Tell me that I'm alright, that I ain't gonna die. All that I want is a hole in the ground. You can tell me when it's alright for me to come out. Hard times, gonna make you wonder why you even try. Gonna take you down and after you cry. And I still don't know how I even survive. Hard times. And now to get your rock bottom. I'm walking around with my little rain cloud hanging over my head, and it ain't coming down. Where do I go? Give me some sort of sign. They hit me with lightning, maybe I'll come alive. Hard times, gonna make you wonder why you even try.
I think I vote for you.
I'm so flattered.
Happy
Even survive. And I gotta hit rock bottom.
Happy Teacher's Day!
This is Kanjo.